All right, and then last question related to the street lights and the communication worker safety zone. Can can I put holiday decorative lights? Like you have a lot of the municipalities that may want to put Christmas lighting or some type of fall decorative lighting on utility poles. And does that fall into the street lighting rules, or is that outside of them?
Um, yes and no. We would want to not allow that as an exception here. These are street lights, traffic signals. We can put those on the poles. We do have to have qualified workers working on those, though. If they're up near the power, it has to be linemen. If they're down in the communication space, has to be somebody qualified to work down there. So it can't be just your volunteer person at the city that's putting those up. It has to be someone qualified to work up there, and they have to have agreement from the utility.